So you made a mistake. You're judging it as a mistake, or maybe it's like, no, that was pretty objectively, anyone might say that was a mistake. In any case, depending on how you're wired, what's going on for you, this can be a really painful feedback loop. It can be something where you beat up on yourself and feel like I need to almost be punished. So let's use some EFT tapping here to help connect to a sense of self-compassion. And this, in my experience, will actually help you learn whatever lessons, not make the mistake again. The more you're like, I need to punish myself and beat myself up for it, it creates stress response and things that actually are not conducive to being more calm and integrating the lessons here. So let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though I did make a mistake, I wish I didn't. I really wish I could go back. Maybe I think I should have known better. I'm open to the possibility of having some compassion for myself and learning from this. So even though I made that mistake, and I'm still hurting over it, I'm open to the potential of feeling some more compassion, feeling more at ease with myself, and perhaps gaining a deeper understanding of what made that happen. And then I could grow and become more conscious. So even though I made this mistake, I really wish I didn't make it. I'm beating myself up for it on some level. Maybe I'm holding on tight. It's like, I gotta make sure I don't do that again. But I'm open to the possibility of having a little kindness for myself. Not to pretend nothing happened, but to actually move forward and grow and learn from this. And I am open to the possibility that feeling better will actually help the overall cause. Let's go through the points now and say, yeah, I made that mistake. And I'm allowing myself to feel right now just how painful that might be. All the judgment I have in my mind, all the tension in my body. Being with this to help it process. It can be brutal. I can't believe I did that. I should know better. I should have seen it coming. I should have had more control over myself. Perhaps I'm saying now, I need to buckle down tighter. I need to be super vigilant about this. I need to do everything I possibly can to not make this mistake again. And perhaps it hurt myself and others. Ooh, and it's really uncomfortable to feel that. But to feel it is to help heal it, to helping this process through, and even beginning to open up to the idea of some compassion here. Because if I think about if I were to teach someone something, if someone were learning something, and as human beings we're all learning, especially someone I really care about, and they were to make what could be called a mistake in the learning process, what helps them more? If I yell and scream, Say, what's wrong with you? That was stupid. Make sure you don't do that again. I could perhaps see them being more stressed out, less likely to be able to settle, to ingrain the lesson, to see the moment more clearly. I want to give myself that same space. I can actually learn and grow from this. The more I process the feeling, and the more I relax the constant judgment, so that I can be present and actually see clearly. Because the more relaxed and present I am, and the more clearly I can see, the more it will be self-obvious to do what's right. Like if I'm driving my car and I'm constantly thinking, drive safe, no accidents, tightly gripping the wheel, over scanning every possible direction, it's actually far less safe than if I'm calm and just seeing everything clearly. A relaxed presence, more than a hyper-vigilant focus. This will actually help me to make the best choice in any moment. The less I'm judging myself in the situation, the more I'm recognizing, yeah, I'm human and I didn't see everything then. I'm open to seeing it more clearly now. Having more ease and compassion for myself, so I can more naturally and smoothly act in the way that's best for me and everyone around me. And modeling self-compassion as a way to actually move forward and grow. I choose to give this to myself. All right, let's take a breath. Yeah, I hope that takes some of the edge off. I hope that helps you process and release some of the self-judgment and helps you move forward, helps everyone around, and not to be too hard on yourself, because if you're even interested in learning and growing, you're doing good things, you're doing good work, whatever that might be. So I hope this helps you continue and move forward in that direction. I look forward to seeing you on another video. Thanks and take care.